came across an article recently on Stylecaster and read that Harry's body wash in the fig supposedly is all the rage lately, and it smells like Rose 31. So I actually decided to buy a bottle of it because I'm a fan of Harry's. I use their razors all the time. I actually bought the fig deodorant 2 years ago from Target. This is purchased from Target. I did not care for that. I like the smell, but it's white and it leaves major white stains under my black undershirts or t-shirts that I wear. So I instantly stopped using it. I had bought 3 of them. But I circled back to this and bought the body wash because I liked the smell, so I wanted to find out about it. But apparently this article on Stylecaster says that people on TikTok are going crazy for this body wash and that it smells like Rose 31. And I was like, oh, I don't remember the fig deodorant smelling like Rose 31. So of course I bought it. And to me, it absolutely no way smells like Rose 31. So Rose 31 is a favorite fragrance of mine. And I don't know where that is. It's right here. Rose 31 is rose and also cumin spice. And there's vetiver and there's some olibanum and things like that. Absolutely not fruity. Maybe it has some brightness that it might be associated with the fig body wash from Harry's, but it absolutely does not smell like it. To me, it doesn't. I don't know how people associate Rose 31 with Harry's body wash and fig, but yeah, like I said, they do not smell anything alike. So that's the first thing I wanted to say about this body wash. But on the other hand, the body wash itself is super juicy, fruity, and also a little bit spicy. So I do like the body wash quite a bit. Although when you first smell it, there's a little bit of an off-putting smell in there. It's almost like the plastic has a weird smell. So I don't care for that smell, but when you're using the actual body wash, it's a very juicy, fruity, body wash. I really like it. It's like around $8. I think it's like 8 something. So I really like it. And it does smell very, very high-end. And I like the Harry's brand, as I said. I do like it. And I use their razors for shaving all the time. I'm always buying the cartridges to refill and things like that. And I've had other body washes from them as well that I've had as samples gifted to me from different stores. When you buy things, you get gifts. And I've enjoyed those as well. But this body wash smells super amazing. And I feel like it's perfect for like waking your senses up in the morning because it's so happy. And so I like that about it. So the other thing I should say is, to me, I would have said it's more similar to Thé Noir 29 here. So it's got the brightness of Thé Noir 29 a lot more than Rose 31 because obviously Thé Noir 29 is a fig fragrance, so it's a little more in line with the Harry's fig body wash. But I would say it's even closer to something like Fico de Amalfi. Fico de Amalfi is a bright, happy, sunshiny, fruity fig fragrance with light green touches, and I think it fits a little more closer to the fruitiness of Harry's body wash. But I think there's a couple of other fragrances out there like Hermès en Jardin en Méditerranée. I think that would actually kind of be perfect for it too. It's like if you want to use a body wash from Harry's fig body wash, use it to, for the shower that you're doing, and then spritz on one of these kind of juicy, fruity fig fragrances like the Hermès en Jardin en Méditerranée or the Fico de Amalfi. I think they would be a nice complementing process for you. Like you would shower with the Harry's fig body wash and then apply some of that juicy, fruity fig fragrance like Fico de Amalfi or even something like En Jardin en Méditerranée. So that's something I just wanted to kind of tell you guys myself. I don't really, I started posting on TikTok. I haven't really explored it too much, so I'm not watching other things. So I don't know how much it's blowing up apparently with this particular body wash on TikTok, and it's being connected or to smell like Rose 31. I personally don't think they smell alike whatsoever. There's absolutely no cumin here. It's also not as dry as Rose 31. Rose 31 is a dry fragrance. This is a lot more wet, juicy. As I said, it's juicy, fruity. So I just don't get that connection. But noses are different. Noses, I'm still smelling it. Yeah, it's very, very juicy, fruity. Noses are different. Noses will pick up different things. I don't get the connection myself. And so I wouldn't say that it is similar to Rose 31. And for me, I would have mentioned Thé Noir 29, and even better yet, Fico d'Amalfi or Eau Jardin on Mediterranean. So that is that little short snippet on Harry's Fig Body Wash. Are you guys fans of this particular product or this line? Do you use their razor blades? I think they have shaving cream as well, which I don't think I've used. And again, I wasn't very happy with the deodorant because it stained my black undershirts. It did smell like the fig, but I just stopped using it because I can't stand white stains under my underarms with my black undershirts. But anyway, that's that question.